200 yards. We're just gonna do kind of like a neck shot simulation. It's just to give y'all an idea of what's going on. You know, why I prefer taking the neck shot over the shoulder shots. All right. We got good contact on that one. Finally, I grazed it on that one shot, so got a good hole coming out. See the clay back here again? How it's all scattered out. I mean, there ain't nothing left of it. That's what I'm talking about. It blows that hole out the back. That is nice looking. That is amazing. Now I want to show y'all. Okay, we went in somewhere right around in here. Yeah, I can feel that hole. But then y'all see that hole coming out. Right there, a little bit bigger than a quarter. Right there, that was the side shots. Right here, grazed one. And then this one caught enough that it still blew a hole in there. And that's what I'm talking about on that neck. You're going to snap that neck, and it's going to be a good slam on it. You're going to break that neck and that good solid hole through it. You're going to kill that deer, drop it instantly right there on the spot. You ain't even going to have to do no blood trailing or anything. But that is a good looking solid hole right there coming out. I mean, I can stick my thumb in there easy. Going in there, put a thumb in it. But there you go. Not bad at all. Right there, that's the Hornady. All right, here we go. Got Hornady Superformance 223. These are 55 grain. Pretty impressive little bullet right here on the simulated neck shot. We got 54.4 left over on here, and we expanded out to 0.46, and top to bottom is 0.36. Talking about the exit wounds on these, this is about what I've seen, not with these individually, but on average through all other 223s that I've used. That's usually what kind of exit wounds you're seeing out the neck shots, is roughly somewhere in this ballpark right there. And I mean, if you got the chance to take a neck shot, I would definitely go neck before shoulder, just because it usually, I mean, it puts them down on the spot, instant. So that is a nice bullet, though. And that is it right there. Hornady Superformance. Superformance. But the only thing that I would change is get a shorter name.